range of small, medium and large. The Small Series. These balers have a press force of 3 to 10 tons and a bale weight of 30 to 130 kilograms. Compact your recyclables with up to 90% using B3 and B4 from our Small Footprint Baler series. They are the smallest balers in the market. With a very small base area and a single phase connection, they are easy to locate. They are simple to operate. They comply with EN 16500. The B3 and B4 have these differences. Load your recyclables directly at the waste source. Push the green start button and walk away. When you return, the baler is ready for loading again. Efficient retainers keep down the waste material. The balers have a low noise level. Both B3 and B4 are equipped with a full light indicator which flashes when the baler is full. A knife is mounted for cutting straps. You open the door with a safe threaded spindle. Now you can tie off the finished bale. The B4 has automatic bale ejection. You eject the bale by a safe two-handed operation. For the B3, you remove the bale by using a hand chart. Different types of customers use our machines, just to mention a few. Bakeries, butchers, shoe stores, grocery stores, fast food chains, gas and service stations, auto repair shops, hotels and restaurants, you can compact various types of waste, for example, cardboard and plastic. Let's sum up. Low overall height, less than 2 meters. The balers are easy to move. Can be placed close to the wall. Equipped with easily understood pictograms. Strap rolls are placed in front. They have automatic full light indicator. Experience the low noise level of B4, the automatic bale ejection and high density bales.